guys, it's like 5 something and it is the first day of school. Yay! Senior year. Okay guys, so it is like 5:50 or something. I'm gonna start getting ready for the first day of senior year. Yay. This is probably the most basic outfit ever, but whatever. I think the only positive thing about waking up this early is seeing the sunrise. Okay, it's not exactly a sunrise, but still. It was a little pinker earlier. Okay, so it is 6:15. I need to be at school 6:50 today, so I should leave 20 minutes early. I can bus to school in like 6 minutes, but like, you know, the first day there's like all the freshmen and like parents there. It's like so congested. So me being the proactive planner that I am, I'm gonna get there on time. I'm gonna go early. So I'm just gonna spend this little makeup time. Yay. By the way, get this from Glossier, and all their lip balms smell so good. This is a mango one. I kind of want to eat the whole thing. So if you guys were wondering, probably weren't, I still do running start. So running start running start / dual enrollment start till September 16th. So I'm kind of chilling here. So today, which is like, I don't know what number it is the first day of my high school. I'm actually going to volunteer. So basically I'm like helping freshmen find their classrooms and stuff. Still experience the first day of school, because first day of senior year, you know, you gotta start it strong. And then during classes, I'll probably just work on like college apps or like follow my friends around. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna vlog or anything. I haven't really been to my high school a lot, so I don't want to like whip out a camera. People would probably be like, what the heck were you? Tell me what time your guys' school starts at, because I swear mine starts, or like my high school starts really early. It starts at 7:20. I can't believe it's senior year. I can't believe I'm a senior. So look like a freaking freshman. Ow. Yeah, she's sharp. So since my school starts so late, and I did a poll like last night, over half of you guys have already started school. I'm so sorry, that sucks. I swear I sound like a different person in the morning because my voice is all like, how much time? Oh my gosh, this is taking way longer. I think I just move a whole lot slower in the morning, because usually I can do this makeup stuff in like 5-10 minutes, and I think I've been sitting here for like 20. I forgot to do this. Okay, also don't mind the mascara here. I always get mascara freaking everywhere because I can't put mascara on to save my freaking life. But the one thing I wish they let seniors do here, you see it on like Instagram and stuff, or on YouTube, or on TikTok. The thing where seniors get like a designated parking spot and they get to paint it. Like, maybe that's just because I'm artsy and stuff, but I think that would be so cool. All right, it's 6:30. I'm supposed to be leaving right now, but it's okay, it's okay. We'll be fine. Yay. Taking off all the mascara I got on my freaking eyelids. Sometimes I forget to do this, and I literally look like I got punched in the eye or something, and people are like, you okay, bro? And I'm like, nah. Ooh. I think we're done. Thumbnail time. Hi. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my outfit real quick. Yay. Also, I found kombucha in my fridge. I'm really excited because I forgot about this. I do this thing where I like buy kombuchas and then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna drink it. And then I literally forget. So then I have them in my fridge, but it's honestly a win-win. And now time to show you my outfit. Okay, so here is the full fit. Oh my gosh, I'm like matching. This little tank top is from Garage. It was in my recent haul. This jacket is from Brandy Melville. It's like a little cropped one. These jeans are my PacSun mom jeans, and then my shoes are just some Nike Air Force Ones. For my accessories, I'm just wearing these little hoops that are from like Forever 21 or something. I have this ring on my ring finger from Zaf, and then this ring from Pandora, and then this bracelet is also from Pandora. My necklace is from Brandy Melville. It's just the little like star choker one that literally everyone has. And then I'm also wearing I can't balance. I'm wearing, okay, no, just kidding. I'm wearing this chain anklet on my right, and then I'm wearing my little friendship bracelet anklets on my left that I always wear. And yeah, now I'm running late for school, so I'll see you there. Peace out. I want to do a taste test real quick. Please don't spill. Oh my gosh, I was literally shaking it. Is this gonna spill in my room? This one's green, so I don't know if it's like, ew. That is not good. But I always say that. Multi-green. It literally says do not shake, and I shook it for like 2 minutes straight. Yeah, this flavor is not very good. I recommend like the guava one or something. I'll put it on my kombucha review. You should go look at that story. But now I am running late. I was supposed to leave 15 minutes ago, so I'm gonna go to school. Okay. Gosh. Hi guys. No,
oh, it's on.
Welcome back to the vlog. So, you say my name?
Right now we're standing at the t-shirt. Blurry. Oh. Okay, so it's the first day of school. We're giving out t-shirts right now.
Right now we're at Freshman Assembly. We're passing out t-shirts.
No. Melanie's over there. This is our first day of high school. Yeah, we have to be low-key. Is vlogging not allowed in school? If anyone knows how to tie my shirt, then comment down below. I don't think she meant we should vlog like this. Wait, okay, so here's Melanie. Here's Melanie. This is her outfit.
I already showed them. She's wearing
shoes. Yeah, she's wearing Air Force Ones. Show them.
These are stickers. Put it on your hydrophone.
Okay,
don't steal it. What if someone wants it?
Oh my gosh, look, there are her friends.
Hey, it's me, Ben.
This is Ben and Allie. He obviously shops at Brand. Bleep. Oh, this is Iris, Melanie's friend. This is her outfit.
And then this is the vlogger, Shayla. This is her outfit.
Okay, bye. We have to... Stop!
Yeah,
never mind.
Me, the guy who knows what he's doing. Yeah, it's me. It's me. Remember? I'm Friday.
My first impression.
Taste test. I give it a 4.
It tastes like pretzels.
You. She's camera shy. Taste test it. I know that.
Why does it taste like alcohol?
Test my kombucha.
Why is it green?
It's health.
It's just kombucha.
Good morning, class of 2023. My name is Ben Bunya Tipinon, and it is my pleasure to welcome you.
What if I talk like that in front of all the person?
I dare you to slip into
like,
an accent. He's crying from the kombucha.
Guys, it's
I
the
like
first
kombucha.
day.
This is not my angle. There we go.
Making a vlog? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Say hi.
Guys, we got a mascot. Look at this guy.
Oh my gosh.
Dance for us.
Oh. Hey guys. Say hi. So we just had a meeting. Say hi. I'm double vlogging right now.
Hey, welcome to my vlog.
Hey guys, we're like in a place where we can study and do homework and do stuff for college.
Okay, so basically we just volunteered for a while, and then we volunteered some more, and now we're studying and I'm editing a little bit, and then we're gonna volunteer some more. Yeah. And then we're gonna get Chipotle. Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're ditching school. Yeah, so we're gonna go get Chipotle and then we're gonna go home and sleep. Chipotle, guys. Chipotle. We have made it. The bad lighting.
Yeah, I know. Shayla loves vlogging.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys.
Got a quesadilla. Did you guys know they have quesadillas here? Yeah, but not so bad. You suck. Ooh! Wait, do it again. Cause he dropped it. Hi guys. Oh, I just got home so tired. It's like 9:30 now. I just got home. Such a long day. So that's pretty much it. That was my first day of school, kind of like technically first day of senior year. It was pretty fun. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm ready to go knock out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to let me know if you want more vlogs, if you like school style vlogs, or if you want more school videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.